Hi. If you looked at our YouTube channel recently, you might have noticed some changes. Because we're changing our brand image. We'll still be giving you some design help with Canva, and I'm still going to be a Canva ambassador. But what we're also doing is now merging Morr Marketing, which is my other brand, and including that and more social media and general marketing tips and videos that I had on the Morr Marketing channel that I'm now going to close down and combine the two. Because running two channels is just hard work. So we're going to simplify the whole thing, just have one channel, and Canva training and quick tips, which will eventually change name to Morr Marketing. It does take time to do all this. We're gradually changing the thumbnails and adding the new videos in, but eventually we'll be ready to go. And I just thought I'd introduce this quickly, as you might be noticing the change already. Our new brand will be Your Own Graphic Designer at Morr Marketing. And just to give you a quick sneak preview, this is what our branding is going to look like. And you'll see this reflected on our thumbnails already. So hope to see you on our new channel and look forward to having feedback on what you think of our new look and new videos.